do like a Chet Atkins lick, which is a very fun. Right. This is a great way to end like a fingerstyle song in the key of C, right? So you're in the key of C, and then you can. Okay, a nice little pull-off lick.
All right, so what is that?
It's easier than it sounds, which is nice. So we're in the key of C, and we have this basically, it's almost like a chromatic lick. There's a few chromatic notes in here. You start with a C chord, and then you're gonna go, we're gonna do a pull-off, double pull-off, basically start at the 3rd fret on the B string, pluck that, pull off a half step, pull off to the C, and then go down a string and do the exact same thing, but to the open string, so keep that index down. So it's like, and then the D string, and then end on the C. I typically grab a C with a G in the bass, and then just end like that, so it gets that rich sound. You know, you can use it in the middle of it, and just kind of keep going. You could use it as a lick and that kind of thing, but that's great, ending in the key of C, so that's fun.